Is ESPN Unlimited plus the NFL bundle worth it? That's what I'm here to discuss. I'm gonna go over some pros, some cons, and then it's gonna be up to you. So let's start with the pros. The biggest pro is gonna be the price. It is by far the cheapest option that you're gonna find. It's gonna be cheaper than YouTube TV. It's gonna be cheaper than Spectrum. It is very affordable for what you get. It's gonna be $39.99 a month, and it's gonna give you access to basically all your local games. It's going to give you access to all the primetime games. And then also, if you want to watch Monday Night Football on the big screen, it's going to give you access to that as well. Now, a big downside of this is that you can only watch it on your cellular device. The only games you're going to be able to watch on the television are going to be the Monday Night Football games, and that's because you got the ESPN Unlimited. So this bundle is very, very cheap, but the limitations are you can only watch it on either your phone or your iPad, except for Monday Night Football. Some other benefits are NFL Red Zone. Now, NFL Red Zone is just constant football throughout the day. They do switch between games pretty frequently, but it's a really cool thing to watch, especially if you don't want to pay for an NFL Sunday ticket. This is perfect. And then also game replays. Let's say you're working, you want to watch your favorite team and you're a little late. This is perfect because all game replays are instantly uploaded to NFL Plus. So in conclusion, if you do not mind only watching these games on your phone and then the Monday night games on the TV, this is perfect and by far the most affordable option. But if you want to watch it on the big screen, I highly recommend you getting YouTube TV, which is about $20 more a month depending on when you get it. They also have free trials. But yeah, those are essentially the biggest perks and the biggest cons of getting this package. All right, that is it. That is all I got for today's video. Now, if you have any questions about this ESPN bundle, hit me up in the comment section down below. I'll get to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.